The Supreme Court has refused to take up the plea-seeking CBI probe into the violent Jawahar Bagh clashes in Mathura that killed 29 people. It has asked the petitioner to approach the Allahabad High Court. The PIL was filed by the advocate and Delhi BJP spokesperson Ashwini Upadhyay. The producers of the film Udta Punjab are planning to approach the Bombay High Court against the verdict of the Censor Board's revising committee. The revising committee had asked producers to remove the word Punjab from the title of the film. The board has also recommended 89 cuts in the film, including scenes that show substance abuse and use of expletives. The Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court today dismissed a plea seeking a ban on the film Shorgul. Last week, a petition was filed by a social activist demanding that the film's release be withheld. The petition alleges that certain scenes in the movie might disturb social harmony. The movie is supposedly based on the Muzaffarnagar riots and is scheduled to release on June 24th. A Kerala High Court judge has rescued himself from a smuggling case. Justice K.T. Shankaran revealed that he was offered Rs 25 lakhs as bribe. More than 500 kgs of gold has been allegedly brought into India from the Middle East through the Kochi airport. The US Supreme Court has announced that it will take a second look onto whether Virginia's Republican political leaders altered the constituencies in the state's electoral maps to diminish the power of African American voters. The court said it will review a lower court's rejection of a challenge that said Republican leaders reduced the strength of the minority voters by packing them into a dozen House of Delegates districts. The US Supreme Court on Monday decided not to hear Google's appeal in class action lawsuit. Claims have been made that the company deceived California advertisers in the placement of internet ads through its AdWords service. A Google spokesperson refused to comment on the litigation. The 2008 lawsuit had accused Google of violating California advertising laws because it misled advertisers about where the ads would be placed. Major law firm Kravitz, Swain and Moore of the US has increased the annual salary of its first-year lawyers to $180,000 from $160,000. Salaries of other associates have also been increased. The salaries in other elite law firms like Davis Polk and Wardwell, Skadden, Apps, Slate, Mega and Flom, and Sullivan and Cromwell are also likely to be increased. It's been almost a decade since the salaries of entry-level lawyers were raised.